Ladies and gentlemen, I think I just created the ultimate endgame iPhone 17 setup. Let's take a closer look. So there's 3 parts to create this endgame setup, and it comes from a company called Alumu. This is the Alumu A17 vegan leather case. This is the M10 10,000 milliamp battery, and this is the G09 MagSafe adapter. And I'm going to walk you through each of these products separately and show you how it all comes together. Now, if at any time you're interested in purchasing one of these products, I do have some special prices linked down below from both their website and Amazon. So check out both to see where you can get the best deal. But I would recommend buy from their website because when you combine them together, you get a bit of a discount, and that's what I do normally. This is the A17 vegan leather case, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that I'm not a huge fan of this fake leather, but this is the first case that I've used where you can hold the case in your hand for 2 or 3 hours and it doesn't get slippery. It's not sticky. It actually feels like a grippy material. So I don't know what they've done, but this is an amazing material on the back of this product. And not only that, the advantage of vegan leather is obviously it doesn't stain that easily, so you can clean it, being that it's kind of designed from a plastic material. Now this case has also a cool functionality with this plateau design that actually takes the heat from the processor and dissipates it through the case. And obviously, if your phone is getting hot, a case is just going to insulate it. So having this type of design really makes the iPhone 17 Pro look really, really cool. I've got a little bit of a screen protector on my phone, and the case wraps around the front. So if you do drop the phone, flat down is going to protect the screen, which is awesome to see. You've got these beautiful aluminum buttons that are very clicky. And as you go around, the material and the feel and the design is really, really smooth in the hand. You've got the cutouts along the bottom. And then around the other side, you've got the power button and the camera control button. And it's really good that it's not too sensitive. So when you pick the phone up from a table, you're not accidentally launching the camera app, which I appreciate. It does have some slight indentations here. So it's not a completely blank backing, which is a little bit familiar to a lot of people who have Alumu products in the past, but it's a relatively clean design with a very strong magnet on the back. And just to show you guys what it looks like on the inside, very nice protective material, and you can see the buttons. So this is the M10, and I've never been more excited for a battery pack in my life because this solves all the problems in one. Now this is a 10,000 milliamp battery pack that includes a Apple Watch charger because it's so annoying to carry one of those separately, especially when the battery life is only a day. So you can charge your Apple Watch on here. Not only that, it has wireless charging, so you can place your phone on the back and charge. Pretty awesome. As you guys can see here, it shows and blinks, indicating that it's being charged. Pretty wild. And when you're wirelessly charging, I noticed in the past, a lot of battery banks that don't have any kind of aluminum or made of plastic tend to get quite warm. So this has got an active cooling design that's supposed to dissipate the heat across to ensure that you're getting the full wireless charging speed, no matter where you're doing it. But if you want to, you can still unplug this cable here on the bottom that serves as a lanyard and charge your iPhone at full 35 watt PD charging, which is pretty cool. I gotta admit, what else do you want? Like, this thing looks awesome. You've got this kind of transparent plastic around the sides, a little LED indicating. You got the charging plug here and the ability to turn it on and off with this button. It's not that big. It's only about 250 grams, so it's not going to add a lot of weight, but it solves pretty much all your wireless charging needs for iPhone, watch, and AirPods or something similar. I just want to show you guys how cool this G09 adapter is. It's got this little ring here that you can place your finger through to hold your phone, which is awesome. It makes it a bit easier, especially with the iPhone 17 Pro being relatively heavy. Then, if you want, you can open it up like this and place your phone down on the ground. You can have it flipped over like this as well. that works. And then if you want, you can flip it out like this, fold it over and have it standing up. Like, let's just look at the engineering. Look at how strong that hinge is. Like, how did they make this? Like, just this in itself is an amazing product for me. I'll just throw in a little bonus for you. This is the A17 frosted case, which is a clear one that I've reviewed previously. The only major difference between this and this is I found that the MagSafe ring is a little bit stronger, like maybe 20% stronger than this one here. And I think it's just to do with the material choices. And just to show you how strong this magnet is, this is the MagSafe G09 attached to the M10 charger, attached to my phone, and this is my fridge. How crazy is that? That's all from that little magnet there. And as you can see, you can adjust it accordingly. If you want to hold it like that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.